Well folks, good afternoon from southeast Queensland, where we finally started to get some decent weather. The first taste of autumn came last night, and it's quite a cool and pleasant day at the moment. It's the sort of day you live for in this particular part of the world. Now I'm about to start to do some more work to the big 75 series limousine here, and the problem that I have here is that we have a bit of surface rust coming through on the belt line here. As you can see, I'll just go across here. Looks pretty bad, but it's really not. Bit of stuff there, not the very best of it, of things to be happening to it. So my intention is to run a couple of lines of tape around there and correct the problem. The strip comes off the back of it here. Just unscrew it all, and it just comes off. Take it off and let it get down there, and then I can get in here and I can correct the problem, which you'll see in the corner is a bit of penetration rust. Now I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. If it's not too bad, when I pull this thing off here, and I pull that off, if it's not too bad, I'll just run two lines of tape across here, just to there, where that finger is, just a bit up about that far, and then I'll get I'll scrape that off, and then I'll hit it with the sander and see what's going on. Now if it's not penetrated, and it may not have, and even if it has, I can repair that with some epoxy steel, which is an item which is used in places like refineries and in repair of pressure areas. Can even be used for fixing cracks in blocks. It's so tough. Apparently you can machine it, grind it, do everything with it, and I'll use that on it. It will never rust again. I don't really want to have to put a strip of steel in there, although I could, and I'll be able to do it quite well. I'd rather not. And at the same time I'm doing that, I'm going to correct this problem here, this piece of material where it's not sitting. That's factory. It's actually factory. I'm going to correct that if I can. I think I might have to bloody knock this down a bit here to make it fit more flush in the corner there. But I'm going to put this up as it is for the moment, and then I'll have a look at the whole thing, and when I've got an idea of what I'm doing with it, then I'll put a bit more stuff up. All for now.